A very good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fine. So, in today's session, we are continuing with Chapter 5 of Part B. Chapter 5 of Part B, we are going to start today. And today's topic is related to PowerPoint. PowerPoint is basically a presentation software. So, in today's lecture, we are discussing about Session 1 and Session 2 of your Chapter 5. Your chapter name is Digital Presentation. In Digital Presentation, we are covering Session 1 and Session 2. And Session 1 name, that is Concept of Presentation. Basically, what do you mean by presentation, or what is the use of presentation? Generally, what happens when we are having a specific information and we want to present the information in front of audience, in front of a good group of people, so we will not discuss it individually. We will prepare a common document. That document will be present in front of audience. So what is presentation? A presentation is a tool to present a topic to the audience. So basically, presentation can be prepared in a number of tools, but the major important tool that we are studying in our curriculum, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint tool will provide the functionality to prepare the presentation. In a presentation, we can include text also, audio also, video also, graphics also, charts also, maps also, even tables also. So it is a combined tool of all features that will provide the functionality to prepare a document to present in front of audience. In a PowerPoint presentation, there will be a number of pages. A single page, a single document within a presentation is known as slide, and a complete document is known as a PowerPoint presentation file. So to store the PowerPoint files, we are having the specific extension, that is .ppt if we are using 2007 or below version. If we are using 2007 or below version, in that case it will work ppt, but it will work as .pptx. If we are using the higher version, in that case it will use .pptx PowerPoint extension. It is PowerPoint. It means it is an extended software that we are discussing our today's session. So what are the features of a PowerPoint? A PowerPoint has a number of features. So characteristics or features are similar thing. A characteristic is a part of any software that will provide the major functionality of your software. So which characteristics should have? A good presentation should have a number of characteristics. It should be a number of words and lines. Generally what happens whenever we are presenting in front of audience, a detailed description is not presented on a slide. You have to be specific for a keyword, and that keyword will be present in front of audience. Generally we are using a combination of 3 into 4. It means 3 into 4 means 3 words, 4 rows. It means we will make 4 rows along with 3 words, like I have written here. Here I have written the headlines, here I have written the main points, but explanation is not written. It means that's why number of words and lines should be specific. It should not be described, it should not be in detail. Second characteristics, font size. You have to keep in mind the font size should be as per the preference of a document. Generally the heading font size will be always larger. Afterwards subheading will be smaller than heading, and text size will be very small. So generally we are preferring for writing text it's 12, and for heading it should be at least 18 to 20. So font size should be according to the presentation. Third, correct use of grammatical words. Generally what happens when we are writing any content, due to little bit change in the spell, the meaning of spelling is getting changed. Due to meaningless use of grammar, A sentence should have no any mean. So always you need to use the correct use of grammatical and words. Words should be accurate, grammar should be accurate. Inserting image. A good presentation contains a number of pictures for comparison for make it more understanding. Generally what happens if we are having a number of people 100, out of 100 all 100 will not be understood by your content. Some will be understood by content, some will be understood by your graphics tool. So out of 100, 10 people will be there who will like your presentation. If you are inserting image, they will understood more. Next is color management. Presentation should be a very effective. To make it more effective, your background, text color, every type of color combination should be perfect. It should be according to the topic. It should be according to the expression. So presentation should be a multicolor and a color management should be in a perfect way. Animation and videos. A presentation contains a animation meant to say a movement of slide or text. When we are presenting in front of audience, how your presentation is going on your screen, it means how much attractive it is. To make it more attractive, we can use different type of animation tools. It means your page can move from left to right, top to bottom. It should reflect like a star, it should reflect like a balloon. This type of tools are used in a good presentation, animation and videos tool. Organize your presentation. When you are making a presentation, it should be well organized. All the content should be according to the step by step manner. It should not be mismanaged. Sometimes it happens we are not able to understand the audience due to the mismanagement of presentation. So your topic should be arranged in a sequential order. Now afterward, how to open the PowerPoint presentation tool. From here we are going to start with session 2. To start the PowerPoint tool, we have to click on start button. Then we will move to all programs option. Then Microsoft Office 2010. In Office 2010, we will find out the option Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. It can be 7 also, it can be 10 also, 13 also, 16 also. Different softwares are there. Here we are using 2010. Now come to the major elements of PowerPoint presentation. Major elements means which elements are available in your PowerPoint presentation. Generally we are having these 11 types of elements. Title bar, quick access toolbar, we will discuss one by one. Title bar, that will be displayed as a title on your document. Like take the example of this board. This is the title of your today's topic. So title bar will present the title of your document. With which name you are getting to save the document, that is title bar. Quick access toolbar, that will help to access the quick command. It means you can quickly access any command. These are the part of quick access toolbar. It is just below the title bar on left corner. In quick access toolbar by default 3 tools are available. One is redo, second is undo, and third option is save. These 3 functions are available in quick access toolbar by default. This question can be asked in MCQ base also. Which tool is present in the quick access toolbar? Options will be given: redo, undo, save. Fourth will be all of the above. So answer will be all of the above. It will help to access your document quickly. Ribbon. Ribbon is a collection of different type of features or functions under one tab. Whenever you are clicking on home tab, whenever you are clicking on insert, in view, so which options are available in a group of options, in a group of lines, that is known as ribbon. Like cut, copy, paste, view, review, undo, these all options are under ribbon. Under one tab, a option will be different. Status bar, that will tell the status of your document, how many lines, how many slides, how many number of words. So it will display number of information about your PowerPoint presentation. It will tell the status of your document. Slide pane. Slide pane is the main view of your document where you are placing your content. It is the working area of your screen in which you are writing your text, you are typing your document. Slide pane is the main area of your PowerPoint presentation. It helps to write the document as per your requirement. Next is notes pane. Notes pane is just like a notes in the form of speaker. Like you are making a presentation, you want to give some hints, you want to make the speaker notes. So notes pane will help to make the speaker notes, that will help to explain in front of audience as a description. What to be described you can write in the notes pane as a heading, as a tool. Next is slide tab. Slide tab will display all the thumbnail of slide. Like we are having 8 slides in a document. So how it will be visible? It will be visible in the form of thumbnail, like small piece of slides will be displayed in the left side of your document. Suppose this is the window. In this window, this is the working area, and this view, it is a part of slide tab, where all slides will be displayed in the form of thumbnails. From where we can rearrange the slide, add the slide, delete the slide. Outline tab, it will tell the outline of your document, in which it will display the main text that is written in your document. You can edit the text directly from here also. You can edit the text from here. It will tell the outline of your slide. View button. View button is used to display the slides in a different view. We are having 4 types of views in our PowerPoint slide. First view is normal view. Second view, that is slide sorter. Third, it can be a reading view. And fourth, it can be a slideshow. These all 4 views are available under the option of view button. Next is window management button, that will help to manage your window size. Window management button will help to manage your window size. It contains on the right corner of your document. Everybody has seen this part. It is divided in 3 parts: close, maximize, minimize your document. This is known as window management button. And last one is zoom control slide, zoom controller, that will help to zoom out your document or zoom in your document, reduce or enlarge the size on your screen. It will not change the size of document. It will only display the document size, reduce or increase. Basically, when slider is there, one line will be there. Slider will start from here. It can move from here to this position. If we move this side, size will be, what will happen? Size will increase. If we move this side, then size will be decrease. So this is about your different type of tools available on a PowerPoint slide. Dear students, if you are facing any problem in any point, any topic, in any specific point in this document, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It is 999 111 8890. Please send me message on this WhatsApp number. I'll resolve your query. I'll give you reply of the same. So thank you. Have a nice day for this session. Thank you so much.